I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing oils and surface shine so the gel bonds properly. First, clean each nail with 99% alcohol or acetone. This strips lotions and dust. Next, push back cuticles and lightly buff the nail plate with a 180/240 grit file to create microscopic grip. Once done, wipe nails again and apply one thin coat of gel primer or dehydrator. Let it flash cure or air dry. Now apply the one-step gel like regular polish but thinner. Load the brush with a medium bead and stroke from cuticle to free edge, sealing the tip to prevent lifting. Make sure each coat is even and not flooded into cuticles. Cure under an LED lamp for 30 to 60 seconds depending on your lamp. Weaker lamps need longer. If coverage is sheer, apply a second thin coat and cure again, making sure layers remain thin to avoid wrinkling or bubbling. After the final cure, check for the tacky inhibition layer and wipe each nail with 99% alcohol for a glossy finish, then apply cuticle oil to rehydrate surrounding skin. If you see lifting later, gently file the lifted area, clean thoroughly, apply primer, and rebond a thin gel layer. Cure well. If nails feel hot or bubble during curing, make thinner coats and slightly increase cure time. This reduces exotherm and prevents lifting or texture problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.